I brought my electric BMX to Bolton Abbey railway station because the fam is going on the Fawlty Towers experience train ride. I'm going to have to leave the car here, so I'm just going to find a nice little bridle way and see where it goes. Well, this isn't it. Might as well film this while I'm here. This has got to be it, hasn't it? Cute enough for you? Annoying the sheep. Who's along here? Hopefully there's a bridge to get me over the railway line. Scared of sheep? Go on, you daft fuckers. Gate was a nightmare. Oh, just a leisurely pace. Little hub drive cruising me up. Well, this is pleasant. That's just a cow, isn't it? As usual, the cows are right by where I want to go. They seem quite mellow. Yep, nice cows. Oh God. I'm getting rattled to bits. Let's cruise through there. Yeah, a lot of bloody cows there. Steers, what are they called? They're all looking at me. They seem okay. I'm gonna go this way just in case. Okay, they're not looking at me, it's okay. I'm guessing it's down this way. Yeah, I see a bridleway sign. That's the farmer's house. That's a good way to keep people out. No access, bull in field. The wife was very impressed with the train ride. Lots of broken plates and spilt soup. I love the trees that grow at the side of the road around here. Oh, watch out! Oh! Bumpy, bumpy. If you ask for a bread roll, you got it thrown in your face. I guess it's worth a look if you're a Fawlty Towers fan. Oh wow, I love these little villages. Somewhere to sit down before the big climb. This is one steep road and this thing is just powering up. I wouldn't fancy him chasing me. Look at those horns. Look at him, he's up for it. Come on baby, up the hill. Okay, let's have a look at the Drayton Heights campsite. It's one of those fishing ones, isn't it? Looks like I'm going into a bit of a forest. What a bizarre collection of rather large sandstone. I guess it is, isn't it? Weird. Nothing but private signs. A bit bumpy. Looks, I've got one of my migraines. I don't get the headache, just the flashing lights. I can see okay, I just can't read the GoPro. Not a time to be going around obstacles. Okay, give it a go. Oh! Oh, just the slightest twitch of the throttle and you're off into trouble. It's got to be over there, hasn't it? Yep, this is beautiful now. One hand, not good. Of all the times for it to happen, I'm going to have to repair this during a migraine attack. Ain't that wonderful? At least it's puncture repair with a view. New inner tube and a plane going, I would say, into Manchester Airport. I didn't get it into video, but some pillock on an electric bike fell on me and rammed his handlebars right into the middle of my back. I said, I'm sorry, mate. I was like, thanks for your help. Okay, I'm descending into Skipton now. Oh my God, it's so hard going. This is awful terrain. It's just an endless supply of sharp rocks. Awful. God, just dreadful terrain, dreadful. I'll go 6 foot without crashing into a rock. Oh my God. This is horrific. Oh God. This is horrendous. Someone has just laid down 1,000 tons of sharp rubble. It's just that for miles and miles. Proper northern town down there. This is just absolutely horrific. Whose idea was this? Oh my God, I'm just duck. The person who laid all that down, I hope you died a horrible death. Awful terrain, right. This is cute. Yeah. Cheers. Oh, a bit steep, to say the least. Oh my God. What an absolutely horrific path. This is the worst path I've ever been on in my life. Look at it. It's just absolutely horrific. I mean, seriously.
here is a live and learn experience.
I am completely goosed. Oh, you bastard of a thing. I just fell off as well. Right over the bars. Now that was utterly insane. Oh, smooth tarmac. Okay, I'm not going to show the actual collision, but this taxi driver saw me coming down like a bullet, flashed me, and then when I got close to him, pulled out right in front of me and blocked the road. I had to go around the back of him, and then he started reversing, and I had to use my foot off his back bumper to stay balanced, and then he followed me through the town, so I had to go and escape into the castle. I don't know, maybe he was coming to apologise, but I didn't need the hassle, so I just lost him in the back roads.
Count from there and just watch this. Thank you. Yeah, just wait there.
Skipton, hey? Looks nice enough. Load of modern rockers there by the looks of it. Oh, here we go. Hey, seems like quite a cool place. Place to be on a Sunday.
I'm all a bit hyped up after that, and I'm starting to ride like a bit of a chav.
Make my brown eyes blue, and don't it make my brown eyes.
Time to go back.
Well, that might well be the missus. Is she on fire? This is the other railway station, MC. Pretty goddamn cute, I'd say. Weird kind of a quarry over there with real matte drops. You walk along here, suddenly find yourself falling 200 foot. Right, I'm 3 miles from back to the car. I think there's enough in the battery. What a beautiful end to the day. Battery's getting a bit sad. Oh Jesus, the road's far too busy and fast. So I'm going to take the back way, which has added an extra mile. Oh, there's not a lot left. Well, how about that for a bus stop? I've got 3 miles to go now, and the battery is like almost had it. Some proper old school buildings here, isn't it? Absolutely love it. Oh Jesus, I think this might be a nice bit of downhill. Oh, back up a hill. Oh, she's got nothing left. Amazing though, isn't it? Loving it. Very amused cyclists. Oh, oh dear, that's nice. Right, there should be a footpath somewhere around here. I mean, seriously, is that the world's smallest footpath gate? That is hilarious. It'll be a bit of fun. Don't fall. And don't forget to shut the gate. There is the railway. Oh my God, what a day. What an absolutely crackers day. Here we go. Oh wow, it goes underneath the road. Haha. Hi sheepies. Well, that is absolutely superb. Oh, get out of my way. And all the way home. Oh my God, I am absolutely knackered. What a day. Back to the Bolton Abbey.
Well, that turned into a bit of a mad day. I only did 19 miles, but there was a lot of up and down, and I kept going off to various little hills. So the battery did well, to be honest. I was out for a good 3 hours. Probably one of my most memorable rides, to be honest. Thanks for watching. See you again next week.